This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by enabling Bluetooth and making both devices discoverable. This opens the radio for connection. Once done, scan for the target MAC or device ID because addressing is how you direct traffic. Make sure to grant location and Bluetooth permissions and verify the pairing PIN or numeric comparison method. Next, initialize the Bluetooth stack via the SDK or HCI console so you can issue pairing and link commands. These initial steps let you build the actual pattern reliably. You now construct the pattern as a state machine that transitions, idle to scanning, scanning to pairing, pairing to bonded, and finally to connected. Once paired, you implement handshakes and encrypted link key exchange so the connection is secure. Make sure to include timed retries with exponential backoff, 1 second, 2 seconds, 4 seconds, to avoid radio congestion. Also, persist bond keys and validate them on reconnect, because that preserves pairing and speeds future connections while preventing replay attacks. You finish by validating the full pattern. Run multi-device tests and capture metrics like RSSI, pairing latency, and failure codes so you can optimize. Once verified, deploy persistent bonding and graceful disconnect logic to handle real-world use. If something goes wrong, force an unpair, clear the Bluetooth cache, and restart the adapter before retrying. Most importantly, monitor HCI and event logs. They show whether handshakes or encryption failed, which quickly isolates the root cause and prevents repeated blind retries.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.